Hi there, my name is Elena Day and I'm a real estate broker in Oakville, Ontario. I believe electric vehicles are the way of the future for many different reasons. One of them is lower emissions, lower running costs, and much better performance. And at the end of the day, it's much better for the environment. We picked HWisel for many different reasons. We found that it was actually very competitive, very prompt service. The moment we've reached out to them, in less than 24 hours, we had someone come in and inspect the house so that it's suitable for the charger and what needs to be done in order for the charger to be installed. It required some wiring from the downstairs panel all the way up to the garage area from the outside of the house. It took them less than a couple hours to get that done, and we didn't experience any issues at all. It was all smooth and very great service. We're very thrilled and very happy to be customers of HWisel.